Hey everyone, if your Remitly app keeps crashing on your iPhone, here are the quick and easy fixes you can try. Let's get started step by step. First, first close the Remitly app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Swipe the Remitly app upward to close it completely. Then reopen it and try again. Must crash issue fix immediately with this step. Second, update the Remitly app. Open the app store, then search for Remitly. Tap on update. Outdated version obtained crash, especially during login or transfer. Third, restart your iPhone. Hold power plus volume up. Slide to power off. Turn the phone back on. This clears temporary system glitches that cause app crashes. Fourth, check your internet connection. Turn airplane mode on then off. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Bad network connections can make the app freeze and crash. Fifth, clear storage space. Go to settings, then general, then iPhone storage. If your storage is almost full, apps crash frequently. Delete unused app or photos to free space. Sixth, turn off VPN or proxy. Go to settings, then VPN, then turn it off. VPNs can trigger app crashes or block Remitly servers. 7th, reinstall the Remitly app. Long press the app, then remove the app. Open App Store, then reinstall Remitly. This replaces corrupted files that cause consistent crashing. 8th, contact Remitly support. Open Remitly app, then tap on help. Choose app crashing or technical issue. Upload a screenshot for faster help. And that's it. Those simple fixes usually solve Remitly app crashes on your iPhone. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.